guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm making homemade ice cream. I have my ingredients. First, we're making it coconut ice cubes. First, coconut milk. This looks fun, guys. I think I was very careful because I didn't spill it.
Good job.
Thank you. Next, vanilla. Now it's gonna be yummy. It is like white coffee. Next, honey. This honey looks very familiar.
Looks familiar?
Uh-huh. This looks like the same in my fruit snacks. Almost. Now I'm a blender. It is like the same on my ice cream because it's vanilla ice cream. Can I taste it? We have our ice cubes now. Now we need to freeze. Freezer time. Welcome to part 2. Now we blend our ice cubes, coconut ice cubes. Don't put it all in there, because it's adding strawberries. Adding some milk. Yeah, we spilling it everywhere. Mommy, you spilled over the blender.
It's okay.
Oh, it's especially it didn't go on the charger. I'm adding extra strawberries. And is this glass? Huh? Look. And what's this kind of glass? Huh? Now we're putting it in the freezer a little bit. Look delicious. And let's eat some. Thumbs up.